Okay, as Sadelabs, we are here simulating the collision avoidance systems. It is a proximity detection systems. In real cases, in factories and warehouses, the moving equipment and the workers should work closely. So there should be some accidents. To prevent these accidents, it's an health and safety application. We are using a special emitter of Premo and then a 3D transponder coil antenna for the worker badges. So we detect precise distance between them. So if the distance is close enough, then the operation is stopped automatically. Also, the system can be used as a safe zone area. For example, we are simulating here a safe zone area with also again the Premo emitter. So we slow down the operator and the forklift. In real cases, to increase the distance, we are using these kind of Premo emitters. Thanks for